I'll just get a Apple laptop here.
हाँ.
So it looks like I'm working and he's entering.
हाँ.
Something like that.
You're wondering where am I, what kind of lights are these, and what am I doing here? Let me take you to a very special place. Well, we're going to reverse age. We're going to learn about the body through biohacking. You know, what is this biohacking? और ये biohacking से आपकी बॉडी कैसे बदल सकती है? आपकी बॉडी के बारे में आपको जानकारी देने के लिए मेरे फिटनेस कोच, फिटनेस एंथुसियास्ट, बॉडी बिल्डर, फ्रेंड, दोस्त, बचपन का यार, कोच, इंस्ट्रक्टर, बायोहैकर, बहुत सारे टाइटल्स, हार्मोन कोच, समीर सावंत. What's happening, bro?
All good, bro. How are you?
Good. Welcome to the GST vlog. Thank you so much for joining me on the vlog. And he's here busy working, but we're going to take some of his time.
Wait a minute.
I'll just get a Apple laptop here.
हाँ.
So it looks like I'm working and he's entering.
हाँ.
Something like that.
Let me mount this camera here. ये हमारे बायोहैकर में मेरा स्वागत है. मैं खुद को वेलकम कर रहा हूँ. What is biohacker? आप अगर समझा सकते हैं हमारे सारे व्यूअर्स को.
So let's cut the word biohacker. Hacker ये बहुत legit word है.
मजा आता है सुन के.
मजा आता है
हाँ.
सुन के, करने में भी मजा आता है लोगों को. But hacking is for two purposes. One is for good and one is for bad. So what we do is we understand the biology of your body. So जब हम पैदा होते हैं ना, तो हमारी biology कुछ और ही होती है. Then we live a lifestyle, we choose different stuff, we make choices, and somewhere we actually damage the DNA and damage a lot of other things in your body, right? रात भर पार्टी करते हैं, फूड का हमको पता नहीं रहता है, लाइक इंडिया में तो सब जंक फूड ही खाते हैं, सर्वाइव उस पे करते हैं. ये सारी चीज़ों से हम बायोलॉजी को चेंज करते हैं. तो वो बायोलॉजी चेंज होने के कारण हमारे बॉडीज में बहुत सारे चेंजेस आते हैं, जिसको टॉक्सिन्स होते हैं, चेंजेस आते हैं जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं हम बीमार हो रहे हैं, या मेरा थायराइड बढ़ गया है, मेरा से इंसुलिन सेंसिटिविटी बढ़ गया है. दीज आर ऑल चेंजेस दैट हैपन इन द बायोलॉजी ऑफ योर बॉडी बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट यू डिड टू इट. सो वी आइडेंटिफाई देम थ्रू डिफरेंट बायोमार्कर्स.
टेस्ट वगैरह होते हैं.
दैट्स कॉल्ड बायोमार्कर्स.
बायोमार्कर्स.
या
ओके.
सो वो टेस्ट जैसे टिश्यू टेस्ट हो गया, ब्लड टेस्ट हो गया, यूरिन टेस्ट हो गया, गट माइक्रोबायोम हो गया, डीएनए हो गया. सो दीज आर फ्यू टेस्ट दैट वी डू टू अंडरस्टैंड कि प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे है और क्या लेवल का है.
एक सच बात बताऊं. एक मैं अपना एक कैमरा इधर भी है अपना, ठीक है. सच्ची देखो कैमरे के अंदर. ओके. आई शपथ. ओके. ये सब अमीरों का है ना बायोहैकिंग सब कुछ.
नहीं, बायोहैकिंग इज समथिंग दैट यू कैन डू इट योरसेल्फ. अमीरों का, गरीबों का नहीं है. मैं तुमको सिंपल बायोहैकिंग बताता हूँ.
हाँ.
सो बायोहैकिंग इन इंडिया इज बीन डन सिंस एंशिएंट टाइम, बट उसको वो बायोहैकिंग नाम नहीं था.
जैसे?
उसको नाम था दादाजी और दादी की रेमेडी, नुस्खे.
हाँ.
So, for example, if you fall and you get a scar over here, what would you ideally do?
हल्दी सब लगाते हैं.
हल्दी लगाएगा.
हाँ.
What is haldi? Haldi is an antioxidant.
हाँ.
So we have a curcumin IV over here. So if you want to do it yourself, you just need to know the knowledge. And we give you the knowledge. We will give you the knowledge. You understand what it is, and you do it through the source and means that you have available. तुम हल्दी लगा लो ना वहाँ पे. रोज रात को बोलते हैं हल्दी का दूध पियो, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स बढ़ते हैं तुम्हारे.
एक सेकंड. 1 second. Cameraman, please. Answer this question, Samir sir. You are a fitness expert, hormone expert. Tell me, हल्दी दूध से अगर नींद आती है तो सुहाग रात में हिंदी पिक्चर में काहे को हल्दी दूध पिलाते?
सुहाग रात को दूध पिलाते, हल्दी दूध नहीं पिलाते. शिलाजीत रहता है दूध.
Can you take us through this biohacker?
Absolutely.
एक काम
Absolutely.
करते हैं. ये कैमरे को मैं यहाँ पर थोड़ा स्टेशन करता हूँ, just in case, और दूसरे कैमरे को हम लोग ऑन करेंगे. So transition. Welcome back. We are to camera 2. हमारा बजट थोड़ा बढ़ गया है. क्या है कि हम सोच रहे हैं कि हमें स्पॉन्सर भी मिलेंगे हमारे इस शो पे. ये उम्मीद पे दुनिया चलती है. But let's take you through the biohacker. Samir sir is a professional biohacker. Explain to us. First, come here. I want to show you my favorite part. Biohacker का fridge.
That's the lab that we have.
It's not fridge.
It's a fridge.
हाँ.
So if you see this, that's the biohacking lab that we have. Okay. So all the biohacking equipments are kept inside this lab, where they are stored in an environment where it needs to be stored, like a particular degree.
हाँ, तो अपन अंदर नहीं जाएंगे क्योंकि sterile environment है.
हाँ.
इतना तो मुझे भी मालूम है कि छेड़खानी
नहीं
किसी जगह
करनी
पे
चाहिए.
नहीं करते.
Absolutely.
भाई ये गेम रेडी. ये गेम रेडी मेरे भाई के पास है.
This is not game ready. This is basically a compression.
Compression for feet after
Yeah,
leg workout.
correct.
And all that. ये आइस पैक से जुड़ा हुआ है?
नहीं, this is air compression.
ओ, एयर कंप्रेशन.
So air compression.
हमारे जो मिस्टर इंडिया वाले कैमरामैन है जो दिख नहीं रहे हैं, मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा ये एयर कंप्रेशन. सो जस्ट कैन यू गिव अस अ लिटिल डोप अबाउट हाउ डज दिस वर्क आफ्टर अ हेवी वर्कआउट?
So what happens is after a heavy workout, your body has lactic acid in your legs. Okay. Now lactic acid is just a byproduct, and you don't require that inside your body. So you need to get it out, right? Now that goes out only through a lymphatic drainage system. So there are lymph nodes in your body through which these toxins get out.
Okay.
Now this is a systematic massage kind of a treatment through which your lymph nodes will secrete those things out.
सर ये क्या है? कहाँ
So-
से कौन से स्पेस में जाने वाले हैं? इधर आ भाई साहब. Which is this space?
So this machine is a machine of oxygen. Okay.
फुल टाइम मशीन लग रहा है सर.
फुल टाइम मशीन है ये, तेरे को रिवर्स एजिंग करा देगा पूरा.
सच्ची?
Yes.
पर अगर मैं इस ऑक्सीजन टैंक में बैठ रहा हूँ और वो लगाऊं तो कान में प्रेशर भी आएगा ना प्लेन की तरह.
वो इसके लिए आता है बिकॉज दिस इज अ प्रेशराइज एनवायरमेंट.
हाँ.
सो इट टेक्स यू लेवल डाउन. यू एक्सपीरियंस इट, दैट्स व्हाई यू आर सेइंग दैट.
Yes.
सो क्या होता है कि व्हेन यू गो प्रेशर डाउन,
हाँ.
योर ईयर प्लग्स लाइक जैसे अभी सी लेवल से ऊपर जाता है ना, सो यू डू न्यूट्रलाइजेशन. ऐसे करता है, च्युइंगम चबाता है.
हाँ.
यू हैव टू डू दैट, एंड इफ यू डोंट हैव अ ईयर प्रॉब्लम, वी अलाउ यू टू गो इन.
ये यहाँ पे क्या है?
Okay, so this is another room that we have. I'll just switch the lights on. Yeah.
Why?
Okay. Now we do a lot of stuff like intravenous lasers
Intravenous is basically
inside the vein.
veins.
This is the ozonated concentrate. So basically we put ozone inside your veins.
Ozone is the ozone,
Yeah.
like the ozone layer ozone.
Ozone, yeah, O3. Basically it's a 3 molecules of oxygen,
Okay.
which works as a killer of parasites and bacteria.
Let's go to
Now this is a matrix machine I would like to show you first.
dude. What is this? It's like a tanning machine लग रहा है ये.
I'll show you. It's a time machine. I'm going to switch it on for you. Oh, say welcome.
Bro, this is amazing.
Okay, all lights are on, right? So let's start.
Shucks, this is like.
Yeah.
Wait, we
So-
should get Rati in the vlog. Rati, you have to come and see this, man. Rati has to come in the vlog. Rati, check this out, dude. It's like a time machine. It's like an alien will come out of here, like an Arnold Schwarzenegger movie or something. Predator या कुछ हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, Terminator type का.
So basically, these are different types of lights. So obviously, you're going to wear these glasses before you go because these are not good for your eyes.
Okay.
So you will wear these, so it's completely blocking your eye retina.
तो basically blackout है.
आपके लिए blackout है. But these lights are working wonders to you because so these are lights mimicking the sunlight. आज की तारीख में किसी को सनलाइट मिलती नहीं है, मिलती भी है तो उतनी नहीं मिलती जितनी मिलने चाहिए.
हाँ.
That's the reason these machines are right now into the picture.
तो कितने मिनट तक आप इसमें
So this is a 15-minute session
हाँ.
where you will do whatever light is suggested for you. Now there are 5 different lights in this. According to the penetration inside your body.
हाँ.
So हर एक लाइट का अलग penetration है.
Okay.
So तुमको स्किन ट्रीटमेंट करना है तो अलग लाइट है, तुमको बोन ट्रीटमेंट करना है तो अलग लाइट
पर
है.
कितनी बार करना पड़ेगा ये?
So these are sessions that you have to do depending upon how much damage you have done. ऑपरेशन के बाद अगर बहुत इंटेंस ऑपरेशन है उसके बाद डॉक्टर ने सजेस्ट किया है तुमको ये करने के लिए, सो यू वुड मे बी टेक अ ऑल्टरनेट डे सेशन लाइक अ 12 सेशन और 16 सेशन पैकेज वेर यू विल डू इट 15 मिनट्स एवरी ऑल्टरनेट डेज. So
And really helps in recovery.
really helps for recovery. It also helps for the pigmentation and everything. I've seen difference people.
This is interesting. Oh wow, this is
a
another
space ship.
shuttle है भाई. Apollo 69.
Okay, wonderful machine for
I have-
completely detoxifying your body. You have done this.
So I had a party one night. Why do I have so many parties? The next day I was very tired and exhausted and I asked him what to do. He said you need to let the toxins out of your body. I remember sitting, bro, it was intense over here.
Yeah.
It was not easy. Matlab, I had perspired so much. I felt a little dizzy after sitting in this sauna.
Yeah, because you've lost a lot of fluids, right? Your toxins get out of your body with the help of the fluids, right? So when you lose a lot of fluids, obviously you're dehydrated, so you will feel dizzy. So they will give you bottles of water before and after.
They were giving me bottles of
Yeah.
water, saying that, "Bhai, you'll have to keep drinking, otherwise," because I was feeling like I had danced in the party. Again, हर बार party doesn't mean दारू वाला. I was just dancing. Again, you can zoom in. दारू वाला नहीं था ये party. But my point is, I was dancing, so I was anyways tired, and then हाँ एक बार तो किया था मैंने, झूठ नहीं बोलूंगा. Why should I lie? But the point is that when I sat here, it was actual. Dude, I felt I lost some kgs, you know.
Yes. So you burn a lot of calories because the temperature when you're sitting inside for just 25 minutes is between 40 degrees to 70 degrees. So whatever was your temperature, accordingly you must have burned those many calories.
Samir sir,
Yeah.
let's continue.
Yeah. So we have a few equipments here as well which I'd like to show you.
Dude, what is this? जब मैं जब नहाने आता हूँ तो तभी they didn't have all these things.
So okay, so I'll just tell you what this is. This is the infrared sauna. Okay, so you must have seen the normal sauna, right? When you sit against the normal sauna, you can feel the heat on your skin.
Correct.
Because there's something burning there itself, right?
Correct.
This is the red light sauna. So what happens is this light penetrates inside your body. So it works outside in. The sauna that we are working about. This works inside out. So it will first penetrate inside your muscle, get your core temperature up, and then you will feel it outside. So you can sit inside this sauna for 30 minutes.
Okay.
And you will get very good benefit because it works inside out.
Inside out. One question live I'm going to ask you in the vlog. I have my traps completely like really sore and injured because I think I've slept in the wrong direction, overworked, not stretched properly. What is that one treatment that I can do here that can probably give me some relief?
So now we have a therapy called as a neural therapy, where we inject nutrients directly on the spot where there is a problem.
Okay.
That treatment will help you to recover faster. Now the problem right now what you're facing, I'll just break it down very quickly. Your traps have put them into a spasm.
Very bad.
Correct.
Like I get like pulls.
Yeah. The reason they have put them into a spasm is because there is a problem there, and if you move that more, it will worsen. So this is your body's mechanism to say, boss, don't move. Yeah. Right? Now you need to supply, when something goes into the spasm, the blood supply over there is also lowered down.
Okay.
That is the reason your recovery will not happen faster. That's why they tell you ना कि उसको है ना hot pack कर.
Correct.
तो blood supply बढ़ेगा.
Okay. That's the science behind it.
Yes.
तो icing फिर?
Icing से भी blood supply बढ़ता है ना, because when you're icing it, what happens is it goes numb. The moment you take back, your body will start putting heat there. That will happen through the nutrients and the like say blood.
समीर सर थोड़ा आगे चल के बात करते हैं, मेरे को अभी देखना है रहस्य. नहीं आप आ सकते हैं ब्लॉग में, ये आप ही का दुकान है. मेरा कैमरा था इधर, हम लोग ने कैमरा रखा था इधर. किधर गया मेरा कैमरा? रथी आई वांटेड टू सी कि जब हम अंदर जाके बातें कर रहे हैं तो कौन क्या कर रहा है. She's working. There are people who really do serious work over
Yeah,
here.
right.
So saying athletes and everybody, elite athletes and everybody at this day and age right now are using biohacking as a technology and as a technique to recover, to perform to their optimal level 100%. And to live a life where people are reverse aging also.
Absolutely.
लोग हैंगओवर होता है लाइफ में, तो उसके बाद डिप्लीट होता है फ्लूइड्स बॉडी से, तो उसको टू रिड्यूस दैट नॉनसेंस ऑफ द हैंगओवर, उसका भी कुछ है क्या?
हैंगओवर IV है ना हमारे पास.
वो भी है. इसके अच्छा पियो ही मत ना, तुमको क्यों पीने का यार? व्हाट इज दिस हैबिट? नो, आई एम आस्किंग यू ऑनेस्टली, व्हाई डू यू वांट टू ड्रिंक? डोंट स्माइल बिहाइंड द कैमरा. माय क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई डू यू वांट टू डू ऑल दीस बैड हैबिट्स? सीरियसली, आई मीन यार, नो, बट वो भी है. उससे क्या होएगा बॉडी के अंदर?
See, what happens when you drink alcohol is your body is dehydrated.
Correct.
When body dehydrates, it loses a lot of vitamins and minerals. So what we do is we give you a 1 liter of IV, where you are taking a lot of fluid. उसमें vitamins, minerals जो तुमने push out किया है, वो वापस replenish हो जाएगा.
पर हेडेक तो जाएगा नहीं ना?
जाएगा ना headache. Headache क्यों होता है? Because of dehydration your headache is there. It's not because of anything else.
तो बहुत सारे लोग आपके पास हिलते दुलते भी आए हैं यहाँ पे. अरे next time, no, you have to show the camera action. You're nodding your head. Next time,
I will come to that.
and that is the most amazing episode we have recorded for our vlog. Samir Sawant, my man, my brother, who is a fitness coach, who is one of the head coaches at the Chris Garrett Gyms in Jaipur, is a hormone consultant. Wow! Hormone consultant. क्या degree है भाई के बस? He's a
functional
nutrition
medicine
coach,
expert, biohacker.
everything. He's here for you for any help. We are dropping his socials down. You can DM him, and then the biohacker will help
Is
you.
the place.
Yeah, will help you figure out everything. मैं जा रहा हूँ मेरा आईवी लेने अभी, ठीक है, चाओ।